let's see what we got here, y'all. Let's see what we got here, y'all. Looks like one of them little old catfish. Boy, he's just about a keeper, isn't he? Might pray about that one. Well, y'all, I got a sorry old mudfish. Sorry I didn't realize the camera wasn't going, so I didn't get the fight. But here he is. This thing drives me crazy, y'all. See how crazy they are. Golly. Golly. You can't hold them. There ain't nothing to hold on to. They slick. They got nothing to hold them, no way to grip them. Now that is why you have to be careful when you find a place to tie up at. I didn't see that until I was just up here. Thankfully, I was tying up to this other tree, but I don't know if y'all can see that or not. But that right there, buddy, will tear you to pieces. Leave them alone, they'll leave you alone. But if you accidentally bump it, it is on. All right, y'all, we hooked up with something here. Let me make sure I'm recording. Piece of cut bait on the bottom. He's not pulling much, but he feels heavy. He sure ain't pulling hard. What do we have here? Hope it ain't a turtle. It's just pulling odd. Good night at the bubbles. I bet it's a turtle. Good grief, I got like a geyser coming up over here. Ah, come on. Come off. Boy, that was weird. Just about had to be a big old turtle. That's not good. I'm in a deep hole, about a 12 or 13 foot deep hole. I'm surprised the turtle hit it, but I don't think that was a catfish. I think it was a turtle. I had two hits, y'all. One on this one and one on the other one. One ain't on a rod holder. What do we got here? Like a catfish. Yes, sir, catfish. That's what we wanted. Let's see what we got on this one. What do we got on this one? Oh, he come off. He come off. Well, that ain't a bad catfish, y'all. Actually, a pretty good eater. I'll show him to you. May keep him. Channel catfish. I caught him on that piece of buffalo cut bait that I caught a little while back. Some of y'all may have seen that video. There you go. If we're going to keep him, that's a good eater. All right. Same pole, same bait. Same bowl, same bait, y'all. Maybe the hook will stay in. I actually using a little bit of a smaller circle hook on this setup here, intentionally. If I were to get a real big fish, it might make a difference. This fish here is staying deep. He just swirled right there. Oh, this fish feels good, y'all. See what it is. Turtle. Doggone it. I bet it's that same one. Got him right in the side of the head, man. I bet it's that same turtle from earlier. He's a big one, y'all. There he is. Got him right in the side of the head right there. Bet that's the same one that aggravated me earlier. Maybe he'll leave me alone now. I don't want to lose that hook if I don't have to. But don't you bite me. Oh, what is this? Well, I tell you what, I just about took my camera out there. Man, that sinker came so close to knocking that camera out, just destroying it. That was another sorry old mudfish, y'all. Turtles, mudfish. If we get one more bad thing right here, we're moving. It's a deep hole, but it's aggravating me. I don't have a whole bunch of bait. I'm running through it pretty quick. Not catching any brim or anything I can use either, so man, thank the Lord that sinker is so close to hitting the camera. Ah, what do we got now? Put in another mudfish. Definitely in a turtle. Another mudfish. It's another mudfish. Ah, driving me crazy today. They in this deep hole, I guess, just laying here. We're gonna move from this spot. I don't know if it'll help. Just doesn't seem to be a real good day catfishing or any fishing except trash fishing today. Boy, he got that one deep down there. Got it out though. Oh boy. Sometimes, y'all, it's just a mess. Sometimes it's just a mess. If I had plenty of bait, y'all, I'd stay here, but I just don't have much bait and I ain't catching nothing that I can use for bait. So I'm gonna have to move and try to get me a spot where I can catch something that I wanna catch. Here's this mudfish, bowfin, whatever y'all wanna call him. I've got to find a way to either catch bait or catch catfish. My head's getting cut off a little, ain't it, y'all? Let's move. Started raining on me. Came up pretty fast, so I got underneath this bridge. It's not supposed to be here long, but we're tied up underneath this bridge. We're going to see if we can catch something here and wait this rain out. There we go. That's a good brim, y'all. That is a good brim. Put him right off the side of this boat here. Worm. I'll take it, son. I'll take it. Ain't much to that one. Maybe some bait. Oh man, what a brim. Man, look at that sucker. Good night. Caught that joker on the bottom in this swift water with this worm. Had to put 2 big old egg sinkers on there just to get it to go down. Boy, he swallowed it too. That's a good brim for the river, y'all. That's a, oh boy. Come here. Come here. It's a good brim for the river. All right, so I moved downriver here. I wasn't getting nothing in that other spot. I moved downriver. As soon as I dropped it here, when I got here, I had 1 live piece of bait. As soon as I got it in the rod holder, the rod holder doubled over, broke me off. I don't know what it was, but it was something big. So all I got left is cut bait now. Real swift water here. I got cut bait on both of my big poles. I got a lot of lead on this. I'm gonna fish with a worm on the bottom. We'll see what happens. Rain finally moved out, and when the rain moved out, man, the wind moved in. You wouldn't believe how windy it is out here. The river's still really low. It's not where I need it to be. There's places I want to get to and fish, but I can't get there because of the river level. It's still dropping. It come up a little bit. Just not a lot of cooperation right now with the river and the weather, but maybe it'll get there. I'm excited about fall catfishing. I know eventually everything's going to turn on. May have to start trying a little bit of chicken breast. And sometimes you can get those blue going with that. It's getting difficult to get bait too. So that's another thing when you think about catfishing. You got to get bait. I used that buffalo today. I used it up, and I tell you, things liked it. All I got left is this head right here. I'm gonna go ahead and chunk it. Stuff hit it. Turtles hit it, and mudfish hit it. A catfish hit it. Stuff hit it. I just don't think the catfish are really biting that much today. Water is really, really swift right here. We did okay though, not too bad. I appreciate y'all for tuning in. Don't forget to hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe, and y'all be patient with me. It's going to turn on again here. We just got to get some water. Things got to get a little better. It's going to turn on the catfishing again. Until next time, this is Catfish Kyle. I'll be seeing you.